a crash course in Markdown. Let's go. So Markdown files have the .md file extension, so we're going to open it in VS Code. So we'll see here we can do headings with one hash on top, a heading, and we can see the preview will be generated here at the bottom for the rest of the lesson. So the heading, that's one hash should be heading 1. If you want to make a subheading, you put 2 hashes. So we go 2 hashes, heading 2, and this can go up until 7. These headings will stack and get smaller. And then we've got bold text. If you want to do bold text, it's 2 hashes and 2 stars. This is in bold. And then you want to do italics, it's 1. This is in italic. And you can see these things are stacking over each other, so you can also inject some HTML like a break tag over here to separate the 2 lines. And we can see the line is in bold and the other lines in italic. If you want to do a code block, you can do something like this with 3 backticks, the name of the programming language. For example, this case Python, and then we go OK, and then we type print hello world, and we see there we have the code block at the bottom. And then if you want to do a quote with the right character like that, then we say this is the quote, and you can see it got formatted into this neat quote tag. So how does all of this tie in together? Say for example you want to make some programming notes. You can go put your heading there, and we say functions in Python, and then we go okay, what's next? Then we say okay, let's put a quote. A function is a stored block of code, and then you want to give an example of that. Okay, you can drop in your code block Python. And then we go there and we say, okay, this looks like this, def main. And then we do that. And then we say print hello world. And that is a neat way for you to make some notes and write some documentation using Markdown. So in the next video, we'll look at how do we do this as beginners, and I'll show you a neat app to make this easier. Stay tuned.